Okay, so they come like this. They've got 3M on the back. So what you're going to do is peel off the 3M. And you're going to want to put this side right there. And once it's on there, so you can't really fix that. But we're going to want to slide this down to kind of measure kind of where you want it. So I kind of want it right there. Okay, when you have that, these are a little hard to put on. Adam did the first set. We bought 20 and we have them all over the kitchen, in the bathrooms, but she still keeps finding cabinets to take that off. Maybe it's easier that way. There we go. So that might be a little bit too much. So slide it out just a little bit. Okay. Put that on. Take that off and hold it for just a few minutes.
Mama.
Yeah, I'm fixing your cabinets you can't get back into. Try to get into them. No, try to get into them. Try to go get into them. Don't look at my nasty cabinets. I had to refinish them when we moved in here with chalk paint. Try to get in. Look, Mama fixed you up on both sides. Right there. Try to open it. Oh, poor baby. You can't get in there anymore. All right, so before we had purchased, and I had found these online on Amazon, we had used the regular safety, inserts that you can pull out and you have to push down, but she has been able to stick her hand in there, and she would always come in the living room or wherever, even though I do keep an eye on her all the time, would get stuff out of there, and I was just like, this is not working. So I bought the first set of 8, and I said, I'm going to get some for these drawers because it's super dangerous because we keep a lot of junk in there, like batteries and paints and stuff like that. So these have been perfect. She cannot get them off no matter, and she gets really mad. But yeah, those other ones, maybe for other kids work, but not for this one.